Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome students. Today I will start our lesson which is about the components of environment. What are these components? Either it is living or non-living. Okay students, in my previous lesson I talked about environment, the meaning of environment and why it is important for us. Okay students, we know anything which is present around us, which surround us, it is our environment. And these things which surround us, these are living or non-living. So it means there are different components, different types of components are present. We divide these components in two types. One is biotech component and the second one is biotech components. Biotech components are those substances and those things which are living. Okay, these are plants and animals which are present around us. These are called biotech components. Okay students, we know for our living we need non-living things for sport, for shelter. So it means we depend on non-living things. These non-living portion of our environment is called abiotic components. Okay, so the portion which is non-living, it is called abiotic components. Here now we will learn it in details. Okay, one by one we will learn about these abiotic component which is non-living portion of our environment, because we already know and very briefly and in detail we know about animals and plants. Now we will discuss about these abiotic components one by one. Okay, so the first component which is important for our survival, it is atmosphere. In other words, we can say air. Okay, so what is actually the atmosphere? The atmosphere of the earth is the envelope which surround us. Okay, it is the envelope, it is the cover which surround us, which is present around us. Okay, so animals and other creatures breathe oxygen or filter it from water, and also and plants grow because of the presence of carbon dioxide. It protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays coming from sun. Okay students, we know what is actually atmosphere. It is the envelope. It means it covers us. Okay, in this atmosphere many gases are present, in which oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and many other gases are present, which is important for us. We know oxygen is important for breathing, and we also know this thing that carbon dioxide, which is also present in this air or atmosphere, it is important for the plant. Okay, plant use this carbon dioxide to make food. Okay, so it's mean atmosphere or air, it is very important for our survival. Okay, about 1/5 of the air is a gas called oxygen. Okay, oxygen is 1/5 amount. Okay, 1/5 of air is oxygen. Living things take oxygen out of the air when they breathe. Breathing helps to produce energy for the body. Okay, because due to breathing, this oxygen, when it enters in the blood, it gives us energy. A very small amount of the air is carbon dioxide gas. It added to the air by burning wood and coal, and also by the breathing of animals. You know, when we breathe we inhale oxygen and we exhale. Okay, exhale mean carbon dioxide will come out from our body. Okay, plants use this carbon dioxide to make their food. Okay, it's mean air is very important for our survival. It is very important part of our environment. Okay, and also we know there are different types of rays which are coming from the sun. These air and this atmosphere, it will protect us from these harmful rays. Okay, these harmful rays absorb in this atmosphere, and they will not reach to the earth, and we will protect from these ultraviolet and harmful rays. Okay, the second important component is water. Okay, we know all living organism need some water intake. We need some water intake. Water is very important. Water covers 70% of the earth's surface and falls as rains or snow over land. Okay, there are different types of water, from different types of water, and in different types water is present. Students, we know 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. That is 70% of the earth is covered with water. It contained in the ocean, ice caps, lakes and rivers. Okay, these all are the area where water is present. These all are the forms in which water is present. Living things need water because 3/4 of the body is made up of water, and any changes inside the body take place in the form of solution, because in our body different reactions are carried out, different processes. For example, digestion is carried out, by which food is digested in the body, and without water this food is not absorbed in the bloodstream. Okay, so for different reactions our body need water. So water is very important, and we get this water from the our environment. In an environment with little water, only organism requiring a small percentage of water can survive. Other organism thrive in condition with large amount of water, such as marine animals and plants in oceans. Okay, we know different animals and plants need different amount of water. Okay, some plants and animals need less water, but some animals and plants, they can only survive if more quantity, if water is present in more quantity, then they can survive. For example, those animals which are present in seas and in rivers, they need plenty of water, more water. Okay, marine animals, we say these animals are marine, which are living in water. So water, it is very essential for our survival, but every organism need a different amount of water. Okay, we need different amount of water for our survival. It depends on conditions. Okay, it depends on our habitat, it depends on our body. Okay students, in next lesson I will tell you about some other abiotic components. Okay, thank you.